Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today let's try to deploy Tpot Honeypot on a machine. So I got this Dell Optiplex 3050. This has an Intel i5 with 16 gigs of RAM and 250 gigs of SSD, I guess. Let me open this. Uh, the opening of the machine is straightforward. We just need to unscrew this thing up. I think this one. And yeah, just need to push this. Okay, so this is the SATA SSD, which is 256 gigs, I guess. I can remove this just by pushing like this. I do have a slot to put in a M.2 SSD, but at this current market I don't think I'm gonna buy SSD to just place it in this, but I think this should run good for now. And I have 16 gigs of RAM over here. Take this off. Yep. I have two 8 GB RAM slots, two 8 GB RAM sticks over here. Let's just place this back. Connect this. To start with the installation, I will download the Ubuntu server from the GitHub repo. I have downloaded the ISO file. I'll open Balena Etcher to flash the ISO file. I have that file over here, which I have downloaded today, and I want it into my USB drive, and let me flash it. It will take a minute. I'll see you once that is done. Okay, I have plugged in the USB drive into the machine and I'm trying to start the machine. Let me try to get into the BIOS of the machine right now. Boot sequence and USB drive and apply. Okay, exit. Now the machine should boot from the USB drive. Let us try to install the Ubuntu server. Okay, and now let's select the language. Ubuntu server. connect to my network. The device which I want to install this is correct. I'll just go ahead, done. No, let me put the username and password. Continue. As I want to install OpenSSH server. Done. I'll see you once this is done. Okay, now the installation is done. Let us go ahead and do the reboot process. Let us remove our USB drive and click enter. Login with CT password. Okay. Okay, let's go to /etc and /ssh. Now let's edit sshd_config and let us allow password based authentication for now. Oh, my bad. I have to edit a sudo. Sudo systemctl restart ssh. Let us clear this and let us check the status of it now. Okay, now that the SSH server is running, I'll meet you once I access the machine using SSH. Okay, I'm back in my terminal. Let us try to access the machine using SSH. Yes, I want to add this. Now that we are accessing the machine, let us go ahead and go to the GitHub page of the Tpot Honeypot. I'll leave the link of this in the description. Let's copy this command. Before running this, let's try to install curl. Okay, it looks like we already have curl, so let's go ahead and run this command. Yes. What I have also done is I have accessed my router and exposed the ports for most protocols that we can use, like SSH, Telnet, HTTP, HTTPS, SMB, FTP, TFTP, SIP, and Telnet, and even HTTP on 8080 also. Let us go ahead and do an Hive installation, and let us enter the username and password, the web UI. All the Docker images are been pulled. What we'll do is let's try to reboot the machine. I'll see you once the reboot process is done. I think the machine should have rebooted by now, so let us try to access it using SSH. One change would be the port number should be different now. That should be 64295 if I'm not wrong. Yep, it looks like it. Okay, let me clear this then. It looks like all our services are running right now. Let us also check systemctl status Tpot. It looks like it is also running now. So let us try to access HTTPS 92.168.0.164.297 port, and if we open the attack map, it is trying to connect. We have cyberchef running in local. Also Elastic Curve is also running. About Kibana is also running. Let us enter the password. Okay, if we leave this, we would be getting some more hits. Here we have one from a source IP, and it is a known attacker from Netherlands. So we are getting more hits now. I'll keep this running for a while. So a quick update, I have left the machine running for over 3 hours now. I do have a lot of hits. We can see top IP addresses and top countries from where the attacks are being generated from. One thing that I found interesting is this particular IP address on the protocol SIP. There have been a lot of hits from this IP address. Let me see if I can find how many hits. Yeah, so almost 1837 right now. Seems interesting. Alright, if you like the video, consider subscribing to the channel and let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you.